Welcome back, everybody. Harry here, known as Trade Sharp, and today let's have a look at what Bitcoin is doing. So we had a nice explosion, and I want to start off the video by saying that on the Bollinger Bands we did close the 3 day above it, so that is extremely bullish. And in this video, we're gonna look at what else is gonna happen. So be sure to be subscribed, guys, if you're new. And if you're already subscribed, then there's one more step you can do, which is pressing the blue thumbs up, which is the like button, to get more people to get my alpha information, right? Because as much as I love helping you guys, I want to start trying to help more people. So it helps me if you can smash that like to get the videos promoted to other people. So let's go have a look in the lower time frames. Bollinger Band 3 day closed above, very bullish in the, that we're just looking like we're having a little bit of a test. Let me remove all of my thingamajigs. Yes, remove. Yes, remove. So Bollinger Band closing above that is very, very, very bullish for me. Going on to the lower time frames and bringing back all my drawings and everything, we can see that basically we reach my liquidation box exactly as I predicted. And you can see, if you check the videos before, I did draw this box in. We can see we had a wick above and then played in between that nice and perfectly. And you can see where my next box is. So be ready, guys. And yeah, so we hit that box perfectly. The reason why I didn't have an exact spot was because of just price action, man. I couldn't really determine it. It would have been 52,509, so nice mid-range, but you can see we played in that liquidation box and broke to the downside. Obviously, when we broke this low here, you can see that price drive down to fill the range. It came down, tapped the support down here, filling the range, and now got bought back up. So what am I looking at price doing now? Well, essentially, based on structure going on the 4 hour, we can see we did break this resistance up there. It's irrelevant anymore. I want to see nice clean charts. So this, I say we can move up like this now. And yeah, looking at structure, we did get a wick down. Nice opportunity here. It looks like we are filling down. Momentum should be down. Yep, it's coming down. Any closure where we are, where we're closing in 2 hours. So still 2 hours of trading before anything can happen. But if momentum does want to turn down here, I probably will look for us to come and retest here. As long as this area is holding like so, then I'm not really bearish on this chart. As soon as this area breaks, then we can talk about price coming down to test this area down at 49,000. I expect a pretty good bounce here. Yesterday I did put in a long on Bitcoin. Where was it? Let's go on the 15-minute. I did get a long on Bitcoin somewhere around this base here. As soon as it came back down, I took the long here. And yeah, I wanted to get in along here, but I was sleeping. And then I saw this come back down, looked at momentum, higher low structure, volume fake out here. And then after I looked on the 1 hour, the 1 hour got a close above the range. And I was like, all right, we're up and onwards. And then we continued up. I took profits right here at this area around here. And then I left it there. And then overnight it came and hit my box, now selling off. Now looking at the 1 hour, if you're looking for another opportunity, I probably will look for price to come down and test that box. Probably not that box. This if price were to break this area, it would probably come down. But 1 hour momentum might be turning up at the moment. It's crossed down, so I was completely wrong. That's why I don't look at it. But it will cross up if we close at 52 to 350 now. So if we do close anywhere there, it will start crossing up. I'm not bearish on this chart. I mean, I'm personally not putting any longs in this area. The risk to reward is not to my appetite. If we do come down to probably this $49,000 area, I will probably put in a long to get the bounce, stops break even, catch that bounce, half position off, and then leave the rest to run. But I'm not very bearish. Looking at CMEs quickly, it is a nice clear chart on the CMEs. You can see how close we were to the target of the measure move. Same sort of thing, momentum on CMEs. Same thing, showing me same thing. Now let's go to Ethereum, because Ethereum is actually finally moving this stupid thing. Forgive me, but I mean, it was so stagnant. So we can see now momentum still up on the downside. Anywhere closing below 1,870 will cause Ethereum to go down. We've essentially created a range, which is very beautiful to see. Now, since we have broken this range, looking at this support down here like so, I do think if we do break the support, we're going to come down and retest here. I look at a bounce to be given here. Probably this, we can see the wicks have been bought, so definitely if price does break. If we do close back in the range, I look for it to come down and fill the full range back, and we can talk about 1794. But really, I'm not that bullish. I mean, no, sorry, forgive me for saying that. I'm not that bearish on this chart. I'm more bullish, and that's what I meant to say. Breaking above this resistance here, like so, I do think price will drive up to $2,000. I do think we will see $2,000, and I don't think it really stops there. I think we start continuing up and onwards. To be honest, let's just see what this is saying. It's giving me what, 2,100. I think even 2,200 is in the board. I don't see anything bearish with this chart. It looks very, very, very clean, very nice chart. Where's a nice confirmed top? I mean, yeah, I definitely look, if this is a confirmed breakout now, we can take a fib to the current point from this low here to that low. And you can see 2,400 is not off the boards. I do think that this causes a major reversal around here. But yeah, it's still in the cards. So those are some targets that if we do continue, but we take it day by day. Same with Bitcoin, looking for that, where are we? Looking for this box to be hit in here, 55 to 57,000, and we see what happens there. But anyways, with that being said, remember guys, take care, trade sharp, till next time, peace.